Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the main meat eaters in the world. This is data from FAO Stat in 2022. Here we can see countries and how they meat consumption per capita per year. And how we can see that is other countries like Tonga, Mongolia, and others. Here we can see a lot of islands like Tonga, this Marshall Island, Bahamas, and other islands. And also we can see a lot of developed countries, and Kazakhstan has 63 place in this list, and that is 70 kilos per capita, 70 kilos meat per capita per year. I think that is a lot of volume, and if you want to see details, what is meat, what is type of meat, you need to click right and drill details. And here we can see this volume by type, poultry meat, pork, bovine meat, and others. Here back. And what type of meat Kazakhstan people consume. That is bovine meat. Bovine, that is meat like cattle, zebu, but we don't have zebu. That is cattle. And that is 24 kilos per capita. Poultry meat, 21. Goat and mutton meat, 8. Pork, 8 kilos. And other meat, that is horse and camel meat, 7 kilos per capita. Also, we can see meat consumption by type of meat, by country per capita. For example, we can choose bovine meat, and we can see that Argentina is a major consumer of bovine meat. Also, that is Zimbabwe, US, Israel, Brazil. Poultry meat, that is Island, Tonga, Marshall Island, Samoa. Pig meat, that is Croatia, Spain, Montenegro, and others. That is goat meat, Mongolia, a lot of meat, Bahrain, Turkmenistan, Chad, Tonga, and other.